In this video, you'll learn how to share a Word document just like you would in Google Docs, so other people can easily view or collaborate with you online. By the end, you'll be able to take any Word file from your computer and turn it into a shareable document in Google Drive, complete with a link or direct email access. First, let's get your Word document into Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you're in your Drive, you'll see your folders and files along with a few options near the top left. Now you need to upload your Microsoft Word document, the file that ends with .docx, from your computer into Google Drive. Look for the New button, usually near the top left of the screen. Click that, then choose File Upload. A file browser window will pop up, letting you navigate to where your Word document is saved on your computer. Select the docx file you want to share and confirm the upload. You'll see a small progress indicator in the bottom corner of Google Drive while the file uploads. When it finishes, your Word document will appear in your Drive list. If you have trouble finding it, you can use the search bar at the top of Drive and type part of the file name. At this point, you have a choice. You can share the Word file as is, or open it in Google Docs to work with it like a native Google document. Opening it in Google Docs makes collaboration smoother, especially if multiple people will be editing at the same time. To do that, right-click on the uploaded Word file in Google Drive. In the menu that appears, hover over Open With, then select Google Docs. Google will create a Google Docs version of your file and open it in a new tab. This doesn't delete or change your original Word file, it simply creates a separate Google Docs copy. Once the document is open in Google Docs, look to the top right corner of the screen for the Share button. This is where you'll control who can access your document and how they can interact with it. Click Share, and a sharing window will appear. Here, you can add specific people or groups by typing their email addresses. As you type, you may see suggestions based on your contacts. Choose the correct addresses, then decide what level of access they should have: viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewers can only read the document, commenters can leave comments, and editors can make direct changes. If you prefer to share a link instead of inviting people one by one, look for the option to copy a link within the same sharing window. You can adjust the link settings so that only people in your organization can open it, or anyone with the link can access it. Again, choose whether people with the link can view, comment, or edit. When you're happy with the settings, either click Send to email the invitations or copy link and share that link through chat, email, or any other channel you use. That's all you need to share a Word document like a Google Doc. Upload the .docx file to Google Drive, optionally open it in Google Docs, and use the Share button to control access and send it out.